Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Bansal Biology. In today's video, we are going to learn about genomic imprinting. So what is genomic imprinting? Is that a gene that is inherited in the offspring. Its expression will be totally dependent on that the gene is inherited from the father figure or it is inherited from the mother figure. What is genomic imprinting? Is that expression of a gene is dependent upon that it is inherited from father or mother. It won't be dependent on the offspring, balki it is dependent upon that the gene is inherited from the father or it is inherited from the mother. If we see an example to clear this concept very easily, then in this case, in the human, if we consider a human, then in human there are a pair of chromosomes present for each the chromosome. One chromosome is inherited from the father while the another chromosome is inherited from the mother. Okay, so out of these two chromosomes will contain genes. These will contain the genes. It will contain a gene that, and this will also contain a gene. But these two genes will be similar. These two genes will be doing the similar thing. But the expression of these genes will be dependent upon that either it is inherited from the father or either it is inherited from the mother. In some condition, this gene is inherited and will be able to express because it has inherited from the father. And this won't be able to express itself because it has been inherited from the mother. While in the another condition, it can occur that this gene will be expressed in the offspring because it has inherited from the mother. And its copy is not able to express itself because it is inherited from the father. So this is known as genomic imprinting, that depending upon that way from where it is inherited, the offspring will show the expression of the gene. For example, let's see a detailed example. If we see the 15th chromosome, in a human, then there are obviously two chromosomes are present of 15th chromosome. These both are 15th chromosome. From one is expressed from the one we have taken from the father and the another we have taken from the mother. So what happened in this? There is a region. In this specific, there is a region. So what happened if we take a case first? In the case 1, this specific gene is silent in mother. What is silence? Is that this gene is turned off. That has inherited from the mother. Why it has done so? It is a total normal process that is done, that either of the two genes, one gene is silent in the offspring. Why it is done? Because we don't need two copies of the gene, we just need one gene for doing any condition. So normally either of the two genes, one will be silent. It is done by normally. How it is done? One process is DNA methylation. Through DNA methylation, one of the gene will be silent. So now what will happen? Now the body is dependent upon the father gene that it will do its work. But due to some reason, what happened? This gene got deleted, or this region of 15th chromosome got deleted due to some reason. What it will result? We were dependent on that. This will do its work and we will be normal. But as it is deleted, then it will result into a disease known as Prader-Willi syndrome. What will be known as Prader-Willi syndrome? What happens in Prader-Willi syndrome is that the child has short hands and feet, plus it is mental retardation is showing in the child, plus what happens is that the child is obese. This is the condition that occurs when the specific part of the 15th chromosome is deleted. That specific part of 15th chromosome is Q11. That is specific part is deleted, then it will result in Prader-Willi syndrome. But if the similar condition has been opposed, That is in case 2 what happened? In case 2 what happened is the chromosome that came from the mother was not silent but from the father was silenced. But it was the father whose gene was silenced. So now what happened, from mother we were dependent that the mother gene would do its work. But what happened now, this specific region of chromosome got deleted. It got deleted. Now what we'll be expecting that the offspring will got Prader-Willi syndrome. But this doesn't occur. The offspring will get another kind of disease that is known as Angelman. That is known as Angelman syndrome. And in this Angelman syndrome, what will happen is that the offspring will not show these kind of conditions. The offspring will show another kind of conditions that are uncontrolled muscle movement, plus there will be unusually large mouth. So you can see that both the gene has done different things. When this, if the mother chromosome is deleted, some region of the mother chromosome is deleted, then Angelman syndrome is occurring. And in this, if the father region is deleting, then it is known as Prader-Willi syndrome. So that both the genes or both the region of the chromosomes are showing different results. Both the deletions are showing different results. That is genomic imprinting. That in this condition different results are shown because this gene was inherited from the mother, and here the different results are shown because this gene was inherited from the father. So depending upon the inherited from where it is inherited, either from father or either from mother, the result will be shown. Plus, if you are unable to remember that which disease is caused by deletion of which chromosome, then there is simple trick for that. From P it's Prader and from P it's parental. Parental as in that the chromosome that is inherited from the father side. So from P and P you can remember that the deletion of father chromosome occurs, then Prader disease will occur. And here there is maternal. Mother as in maternal. So if M is there and only in Angelman one M is there and in Prader there is no M. So if the maternal deletion is occur, Angelman syndrome will occur, and if Prader-Willi is occurring, that means the father gene is deleted. So this is about the genomic imprinting, that the specific offspring will show a specific gene expression only depending upon that it is expressed from the father or the mother. So this was all about the today's video, guys. I hope you liked this video, and thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much.